My painting is about Gunga Barra, and we paint with a triggers painting. My mum had a picture in the sitting room at home of Gunga Barra, and out of the blue I asked for a photograph, but I sketched out the picture for a 3D picture, and I don't take pictures. I have imagination in my brain, and that came, I don't know where it came from, but I look at picture first, the real picture, and then I sketch it out, throw away the picture and draw it myself. And if I forget anything, go back there, look at it and put it over the paper. So I have imagined camera in my brain. I knew what I wanted when I was small, but it didn't happen come as a nurse, but I had no education. But art came out of nowhere really, and my imagination came out of nowhere either. So when I look at pictures of them, if I forget things, I'll back in my mind and I put it up on paper. Amazing. What we do, we draw the picture, we paint the picture, we cover with charcoal, and then we spray with fix it, and that way it brings up all the colour and the picture as well. It takes me shorter time for drawing, but longer for painting, because there's a lot of details in my painting that I do. I have done a load of art, and now I'm in MTU in Grand Prix. I came a student in MTU in Bishopstown. Things are growing for me a lot. I have class and tutors, and my art is widened for me.